Third thing is to ensure the environments, and we are picking those any kind of keys from those environment. For that one, we need to stop the application and we need to generate those environment files. One more difference between the previous version and the Angular 17 is we don't have environments folder in that default template. You can see that I have created that one previously, but if you create a new Angular application, it will not have any environment folder. So to create environment files, we need to use a command which is ng space g for generate space environments. And as soon as we hit enter, it will take some time and will generate two files. One will be environment.ts, which will be our production one, and one will be the environment.development.ts, which is our development one. And to get to know about these details, go to the angular.json file, and right here you can see file replacements are added and configurations are added with those environments files. So the configuration was also been added as part of this command, which is ng generate environments. We will see in detail how we can create custom environments in the Angular application, because our project can have multiple environments, development, quality, stable, integration, or anything we can name it. And how to add the custom environments, we can cover that one in a separate video. All right, so we have now our environments, and inside our environments we are currently have empty object, and let's try to add the variable and its key. So I already have copied the key, and for the variable point of view I can name it open weather key, and we can use that one here. And let me copy, because both of our environments now for now can have a same variable, so we can place it here as well. Okay, the environment should be synced, which means a variable if added in one environment, we should add into another one as well. The value could be different, but for the sync perspective, we should add the variables on in all those environment files. Other than that, we will get an error. Okay, now just let's jump back to our weather service, and here we need to include that weather as well. Now we can use import environment. We can use it like this, and here now that key should be coming from that environment file, and that's why I use these character for string interpolation. And we can use $sign and environment dot open weather key. Now this service is totally dynamic. There is no hard-coded configuration or value inside that service, and we'll be picking that key now from that environment file. And let's go back to our console and run this application once again. So it's building the application. In case of any questions or queries, do ask me in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to get the latest videos right away, and see you in the next one.